In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling HDR on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select apps on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to go down and select video playback. And then up here where it says underneath related settings, HDR, go ahead and select that. And then at this point, go ahead and configure your various settings on this page, assuming your display supports HDR, which not all do. So it would say if it was supported or not right here, and then there'd be additional settings to modify. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.